this video, I will demonstrate my Week 3 Excel assignment, including data importing, cleaning, analysis, and visualization. So I started by importing the additional data from an image. So first thing, I want to click the data and select from the picture from the file and choose the Week 3 Excel training additional data, and the Excel scans and converts the image into a table preview, and click the insert data. And once inserted, I quickly check the accuracy of the table against the image compared with the Week 3 Excel training data. So the first thing, this one is right one, and first thing, now I will clean the spelling errors in the freight carrier column, which is column C. So select a cell in the freight carrier column and go to the home and sort and filter. And in this way, they will have a row, and we can see all the spelling in this one. And we will use the filter combined with the Control H, which is find and replace. So we should change this one to okay, and replace all. And let's change another thing to change to this one. Change. Replace all and change. Replace all and this one. Some of them are the spelling wrong one, so we will change all of them. Okay, after done all of this, we can check. Okay, so all of them are the correct one. Next, I will combine this data with the original data set and label the source. So the first thing I want to do is open the Week 3 Excel training data and copy the 50 rows from the imported table from the remember we just copied the data, and to the final row of the original data and paste. And remember, we need to give them different name. For example, I will give the new one I will call them scanned input. And drag it down. Okay, and for the original data, I will give it a name. Also give it a name as original record. Original record, and drag it down also. Okay, and I will give the whole column a new name, which is called data source. So the whole process that I just do will help distinguish the records came from which source and which is good data management practice. And now I calculate description statistics from the delivery times in days, which is the column D. Let's drag it down and the last bottom. So the first what I want to calculate is average. So the first column is D2. And the final column is D501. Enter. Okay, so this is average, and the next one is medium. The same process as the average. And the next one is STDEV point P. Same process. Next is minima. Next is maximum. And the next one is the range, and the range is used the maximum minus the minimum. Which is 0. So these functions provide a quick summary of how delivery times are distributed. So let's now visualize the delivery time distribution use a histogram. So first thing I want to do is select the column D, which is the delivery time in days column, and go to the insert and insert the statistic chart. And which is this one, and find the histogram, which I want to show like histogram like this. I can move the chart a little bit. Okay. Now I want to click the axis number and right click and format axis, and we can choose for the bin width, the gap width or the bin width to 1. So this shows how often each delivery time occurs. Okay, finally I will use a pivot table to compare delivery time across freight carriers and months. So first thing I want to do is select all the full data set and click the insert and the pivot table. Pivot table and a new worksheet. Okay. And I will I will give this one a setting. So in the rows, I will give it a delivery month. Click the rows, click the delivery month, click columns, click freight carrier, click the value, click the delivery time in days. And we should change the summary to the average. Okay. Then we should click any cell in the pivot table and click the insert and click the column chat or the line chat. Whatever. I said column chat like this. Oh my god. Like this because this is more visualization. And this chart can make it more easy to see which carriers perform better in which months. Then it's more visible than the number one. Okay, so that concludes my week 3 Excel submission. Thank you for watching.